adjust the switches in your home. Okay. Then, you have also to adjust all your appliances wherein you can maneuver inside your home, switching all the appliances. That's your TV, your electric fan, and the other electric fan. Although I'm just renting in this place, this is really adaptable to a wheelchair living. This door is a sliding door for easy opening and closing. And then we're gonna have the switches in the room still can be reached by my own height. Then we're going to the bathroom and the toilet. This house is a single room with toilet and CR. Here, the lavatory is depends on my height. And also, the toilet bowl is depends on the height of the seat of my wheelchair. Then this is being fixed firmly so you'll not slide. Then the height of the faucet is like this. Easy for lifting, and also the shower can be reached by my height. Okay, going back, we go to the bed. The bed is the same with the height of the wheelchair. So this is just a thin portion because I have scoliosis. So you need to sleep flat in the room. Then we go to the kitchen. With the fridge. This can be reached also by my hand, and also the switches. Okay, that's the switches. Then we go to the close one door. Close one door. Lalabas mo isa. No, this one. Isa doon. Gate yan. Door. Susunod po sa door. Okay. This door also